Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your cursor here to the Mac cursors, using the Mac OS cursors. So I have the file here where it contains all these cursors here. Wait, like this. So how we can do that is simple. First, the download file will be in the link in the description. You can get it from the description. First you gotta do is you go to your settings, and once your settings opens, go search for personalization. Click on personalization and then go to themes. So you come here, so then you click on mouse cursor. After that you come here, so click on pointers and you come here, so go to browse and locate that file where it consists the cursors. So first you're looking for normal select, so let's go ahead. You will have to click on OK or apply both lower. As you can see, it's now it's just black, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and try to look for a link. Look for a link, I mean. So to test it out, so let's go over to this. Let me show here. See, as you can see here, I can use this. So whenever I come here to click stop, for example, here the recording, you see the cursor. So this kind of cursor is used for Mac. These cursors are used for Mac OS, laptops or iMacs. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.